With AI platforms improving rapidly, it's becoming easier than ever for online sellers to create digital products that perform consistently over time. But here's the catch: without understanding which designs people are actually interested in, you could still end up with little to no results in your store. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to identify a demanding digital product idea on Etsy. I'll also show you how to use a free AI tool to create high-quality designs and how to prepare that design for physical products using InkJoy as your print-on-demand platform. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Even if you have access to powerful AI tools, creating something people are not interested in will limit your results. That's why before jumping into the design phase, it's important to first understand what people are actively searching for and whether it's still a good opportunity today. Since we're creating a digital product, we'll focus on a platform like Etsy, which has a large and active customer base. The first step is to go to the search bar and type in the type of product you want to sell. In this case, I explored Clipart designs because they can be applied across different products, giving them wide usability. However, Clipart is a broad niche with strong competition, so narrowing your focus is key. There are two ways I approach this, and the second method is my preferred option because it's faster and more efficient. The first method involves manually browsing search results and identifying listings with a bestseller tag. When I find one, I pay attention to the product title. For example, I came across a listing called Flowers Butterflies Clipart, and just like that, I've discovered a sub-niche. So narrowing it down to a sub-niche automatically reduces the competition within the broader Clipart design category. From there, I search using that exact keyword to analyze similar listings. This allows me to gather insights and inspiration for my own design. I also check details like how often the product is added to carts, whether there are recent sales to confirm that the product is still selling. The downside to this method is that it can be time-consuming, and Etsy does not directly show detailed revenue performance. That's why I prefer using an analysis tool like Alura. With the extension installed, I can view performance data directly within search results. By clicking the icon, I can see estimated monthly performance and overall trends. The sidebar view is especially useful because it highlights top-performing listings and shows when they were created. For example, with this method, I found a best-selling listing called Little Village Valley which showed strong performance over several months, even though it was created about a year ago. So, this kind of validation helps confirm ongoing demand. However, selling only digital Clipart has its limitations. Since prices are typically low, profit margins are smaller, and scaling often requires multiple successful listings. A more effective approach is to apply the same design to physical products, allowing you to reach a wider audience and increase potential revenue. You also don't need to manage inventory to do this. With print-on-demand services, the process is similar to selling digital products. Once an order is placed, the platform handles production, packaging, and shipping, and I found InkJoy to be the best fit for this. InkJoy works as your print-on-demand partner, allowing you to create and sell physical products without managing inventory or any upfront costs. The platform gives you access to over 1,500 customizable products, which you can design using their built-in editor with real-time preview, so you can see exactly how your product will look before publishing. InkJoy also makes it easy to integrate your store, supporting platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce, allowing you to connect and start selling without complications. Once your store is connected, you can import products in just a few clicks, including bulk designs and multiple product variations, which helps speed up your workflow. When a customer places an order, InkJoy automatically syncs it and handles everything from printing to packaging and global shipping, while also providing tracking for each order. They also offer no minimum order requirement, competitive pricing, and the ability to fulfill orders under your own brand, helping you build a more professional and scalable store. I have a link in the description to use this later in this video. Remember that new users can enjoy up to 40% off, which makes it easier to test sample quality with a lower upfront cost. I'll walk you through exactly how to use InkJoy step by step. Now, to recreate a similar Clipart design using AI, I used Canva and its Magic Media feature. Before generating the image, I created a structured prompt like this. In a white background, imagine a group of Little Valley animal friends, including a bunny, a small deer, and two ducks standing together on a tiny patch of grass. colors, gentle rolling hills in the distance, soft pastel tones, in a watercolor art style. Once the prompt was ready, I created a new project with a 1:1 aspect ratio, opened Magic Media, pasted the prompt, I made sure it was set to square, then generated the design and signed. This is a Clipart design. I used the background remover tool to get rid of the background, then export it as PNG. I also tested multiple variations and created over 100 prompts that produce similar styles. The link will be in the description, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. After generating your design, the next step is to prepare it for high quality output. I recommend using Let's Enhance to upscale your image to higher resolutions and improve print quality. Once your image is ready, you can upload it to InkJoy. After creating an account, click on My Dashboard and click on Connect Your Store, then select Etsy. After that, Etsy will want you to grant access. Then go to the product catalog, choose a suitable item. So, for this illustration I will be using kid clothing because it resonates with my design. Once I was done, I click on Design and Sell and upload your design. Adjust the placement to fit the product frame properly. I also noticed that InkJoy give me the option of placing the design at the back and sleeve of the cloth, which is cool. After that, you can move to the next step where you set your pricing and edit your title and description. It's helpful to review similar listings for inspiration when writing these details. Once everything is ready, publish the product to your store. Finally, this approach shows how turning a digital design into a physical product can help you reach more customers and increase your earning potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.